bao tình dâu xê lấy lệ khó lệ à nay tê đến giông pakai anga la mo hi te kupi le da pe tu mo tin pakai thang ba la sadin hong ki hong mun ba chơi dia lo pa tre chơi ana te khang ba dia lo a hi vì bao cái cho tôi số lên qua thì chính thì mấy lo vì thì ôn đi rồi xin vợ chơi vì thế bao tình dâu xê lấy lệ khó lệ à nay tê đến giông pakai anga la mo hi te kupi le da pi tu mo din pakai thang ba la sadin hong ki hong mun ba chơi dia lo pa tre chơi ana te khang ba dia lo a hi vì bao cái cho tôi số lên qua thì chính thì mấy lo đi thì ôn đi rồi xin vợ chơi vì thế bao tình dâu xê lấy lệ khó lệ à nay tê đến giông pakai anga la mo hi te kupi le da pe tu mo tin pakai thang ba la sadin hong ki hong mun ba chơi dia lo pa tre chơi ana te khang ba dia lo a hi vì bao cái cho tôi số lên qua thì chính thì mấy lo vì thì ôn đi rồi xin vợ chơi vì thế bao tình dâu xê lấy lệ khó lệ à nay tê đến giông pakai anga la mo hi te kupi le da pi tu mo din pakai thang ba la sadin hong ki hong mun ba chơi dia lo pa tre chơi ana te khang ba dia lo a hi
always said, and I quote, "Felicitation is an inspiration to others and motivation to whom you are felicitating." Good afternoon and greetings to one and all present in this room. It is a gratifying honor to be able to stand here in front of this whole assemblage of anticipating and delighted onlookers. On that note, I am very much thrilled to offer a hearty welcome to everyone gathered here today for this Felicitation Day Thanksgiving program at Confetti Academy. So I, Frida Hokip, along with my co-host, Mr. Mahmoudin Hokip, would like to welcome you to this wonderful event. Today we will be celebrating, remembering, acknowledging and admiring the beauty and achievement of our institute. On this day, we are witnessing a very proud moment in the history of Confetti Academy.
Today, we want to go to now, like when I'm going to see it, I'm going to be in what you saying. First, let me read out the order of events. Presentation comes Thanksgiving program. First item will be invocation prayer from Mrs. Sugi. Welcome address by Esther Kenemoy. Special number Sister Deborah and friends. Presentation by Madam Parke. Special number from past students. Speech on behalf of outgoing students, Sister Kim Wanting. Blessing prayer from Reverend Tangluka Tungloi and Songgil Pastor Area ECA. Special number from Sister Min Zhang and Sister Lin Wanting. Exhortation speech by Elder Zhe Lim, retired IPS, Board of Advisor, Confetti Academy. Special number Sister Visit. And we'll be having a speech from Dr. E.P. Hokip, Director of Confetti Academy. Vote of thanks from Sister Sarvini. Farewell hymn, Jipini. Closing prayer from Kai Hokip, Board Member of Confetti Academy. Let the stage, may I invite Sister Mrs. Zudi to the stage for
Great is the Lord and greatly to be praised, and His greatness is unsearchable. One generation shall praise your words to another and shall declare your mighty acts. Pagkai lobi da ahi and lobi da aba turni ahi. Alobi na hi also zoga la iboy. Natil bol ko hi kangkat gaya aba tuya nanado min ham ta ako konsal liyo ahi. Psalm Zalek Somni Psalm Kumzambi. Shall we look to God in prayer? What a blessed day indeed it is, Lord, that you have bestowed upon Confetti Academy and the graduating students and all the faculty members and managing board, Lord, today, that we can have this program to felicitate the graduating students, Lord. As your word says, all good and perfect things come from the Lord. We know that it is from you, so we thank you. And as we come here together to felicitate the graduating students, Lord, I pray that you will be with us and we commit each of our program and all those who are participating into your mighty care. In Jesus' name we pray.
Now moving on to the next item. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to call Sister Kenny on stage for a welcome address.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Almighty God that we are able to gather here today to celebrate and validate the felicitation program of meritorious students of our institute, Confetti Academy. I'm Esther Lady Woodhunder, a student of Class 12 Batch of 2022, and I feel humbled and honored that I was chosen to deliver this speech. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome and thank today's minister, Reverend Tangluka Tungloi and Songgil Pastor Area ECA. Elder J. William, retired ITS, Board of Advisor, Confetti Academy. Other dignitaries, board members of Confetti Academy, teachers, and print and electronic media personnel for your guidance and patience, as well as all the parents, friends, and families that are here today, and those that were not able to make it, for your love and constant support. It is an honor to have you all here today. I would also like to thank our seniors, both the first batch 2020 and the second batch 2021. And all the meritorious students, for it is because of their hard work and knowledge that this program is possible. A big congratulations to the outgoing students. You all are the trust proof that Confederate Academy is the best institution in Tiracampo. And because of you all, and again, are so proud to be a part of this family, this institution. And we are fortunate that we have your footsteps to follow. Thank you, seniors. Today, seniors are graduating from Confederate Academy. The room is packed with close friends. I see a lot of familiar faces from the second batch, and even though my first seniors batch may not be as familiar to us, the one thing I know for sure is that they were the spoiled students in a good way though, followed by our principal, Dr. T.P. Hauke. If each one of us were to define a successful graduate, they would be dedicated, perseverance, integrity, honesty, hard work, and winner. From all the terms mentioned, the one I think should receive top billing is winner. Each and every one of you is a winner. I hope you enjoy because today is your day. And how can I forget, finally, a heartfelt thank you to Sir Dr. T.P. Hauke, Director of Confederate Academy and School Administration of Confederate Academy, for organizing such an event. Thank you.
Thank you, Sister Tenima, for the welcome address. Now, to perform us a beautiful number, may I call upon Sister Deborah and friends on stage.
I want to make this moment to be the most memorable day of your life. Today we are celebrating, remembering, acknowledging, and also admiring the achievement of our institution. I hope we are going through the most amazing experience of our lives. Congratulations on your incredible success. We always knew you could do it, and we are incredibly proud of you. We saw you work very hard to achieve this accomplishment, and we can't think of anyone who deserves it more. You set an amazing example for everyone. Once again, congratulations. Your hard work and also perseverance had paid off. So very proud of you all. Now it is time to felicitate our pass-out students, all of them 46 in numbers, with mementos. To give away the memento to the first 15 students, I would request our special guest, Elder J. Hungdim Advisor, Conflict Academy, to come up onto the stage to bestow honor on these successful students. Those students whom I call out names will come one after another. The first student to come and get the memento is Miss Abigail Lamney M. from 2022 batch. Abigail Lamney M. When you get the memento, please wait for the photo you have to take. Next is Anjali Chinhoy Kim. And I ask Selena Ling Nei Hoi to get ready after this. Anjali Chinhoy Kim. Selena Ling Nei Hoi. Next will be Daphne Namzo Kim. Daphne Namzo Kim. Next will be Elena Hoyun Kim. Elise Hoyun Kim. After Elise Hoyun Kim, I ask Han Ning to get ready. After Hanei Hoi, Hanei Lambaite. Hanei Lambaite. After Hanei Lambaite, Hembun Mang Hauke. Hembun Mang Hauke. After Hembun Mang, Zhang Len Bao Baite. Zhang Len Bao Baite. After this, Jenny Ling Hoi Jin. Jenny. After Jenny, Kevin Sailen Kang. After Kevin Sailen Kang, Kai Min Lin Hao Ip. Hawkip. After Thai Min Lin, Kumwan Singh. Students that we give. Thank you, sir. You may take your seat. Now, I will request our worthy guest, Hongkai Hawkip, board member, Conflict Academy, honor another 17 students with memento. First student, Lanet Sang Hawkip, and the next, Len Mang Hawkip. Len Mang Hawkip. Next will be Ling Hoi Chong Lung Ding. Ling Hoi Chong. After Ling Nei Chong, Ling Nei Moi Hawkip. Ling Nei Moi Hawkip. Next is Ling Nei Meng. After Ling Nei Meng, Ling Nei Kim. Then Linda Vung Biak Lian. After Linda Vung Biak Lian, Lun Go Len Hawkip. Lun Go Len Hawkip. Then Wang In Len Hawkip. Hawkip. Next will be Mary Nemzo Kim by Kay. Mary Nemzo Kim by Kay. After Mary, Nancy Nam Ngai Chong. Next will be Nicolette Hawkip. After Nicolette Hawkip, Neng Chong Hoi Bai Te. Next is Ngay Thien Tok Han. Next, Simbi Ngong Nai Kim. After Simbi, Thang Leng Sang Bai Ten. Last one, Van Nei Hoi. Van Nei Hoi. No, next one will come. Thank you, sir. And now I invite the director of Conflict Academy to come and honor the next remaining students. This batch, 2021 batch. Betsy Ning Boy Ning. scene in Boydling. I ask Maria Ningli to be ready after this. After that scene, they Boydling, I'm sorry. Maria. Lam Ngai Chong. Lam Ngai Chong. I think Lam Ngai Chong could not come. If Lam Ngai Chong's parents are here, anyone? Please come. The next is Glady. Next, Betsy Lam Nei Chong. Lam Nei Chong. Cannot come. Okay, next, Gracie Panay Kim. Gracie Panay Kim. Next will be Ruth Lam Nun Moy. Ruth Lam Nun Moy's father is with us. He will get Ruth Lam Nun Moy. Next, Ning Dae Kim. After Ning Dae Kim, Bridget. Ning Dae Kim. After Bridget, S. Liang Biak Loon. After now S. Liang Biak Loon. After Liang Biak Loon, Ngam Sei Hao Kiet. After Nam Singh, David. Next, Ten Palen. After David, Ten Palen. Last one. After Ten Palen, Joseph Kilropui. Okay, but from that we have a number of students who appeared this year, 2022. We have 32 students appearing the CBSE board exam. Number of students passed in the first division is 100%, and the lowest also got 70.8. We are very proud of it. And pass percentage is 100%. Very proud to say 100%. I will repeat. Pass percentage of Conflict Academy 2022 is 100%. And we have a number of students who score 80% above. Those are, I'll just read them out. Elise Koine Kim, Kum Wan Singh, 88%. Linda Vungbiaklian, 84.4%, Len Boy Mang Haukip, 83.4%, Neng Jong Hui Baite, 83%, Nancy Nemngai Chong, 82.6%, and Selina Tingnei Hoi, 81.4%, Kevin Salen Thang, 81.2%, Hanley Lambaite, 80.8%. So these 8 students score above 80%. We are very proud of them. And I would still like to read out these students. How many of them? Subject-wise letter marks secure. In physics, we have 1 student who got letter marks. In chemistry, 2 students. Math, 1 student. Biology, we have 7 students. Then English, 22. I'm their teacher. And painting, 32 of them all. All of them got letter marks in painting. Honor these outstanding students who perform very well, subject-wise toppers. So I asked her to remain here to honor this student with outstanding performance with a gift, and also I think it's it's a small gift. In English, Elise Hoynithem. Please come forward. Elise Hoynithem. She is the topper, 96. Physics topper. Physics topper, Elise again. She tops in English and physics. Physics, 83%. Chemistry, again, Elise, she scored 85. And biology, we have topper, Kumwanting, 93%. Len Boy Mang Haukip, 83. Len Boy Mang Haukip. Toppers in maths. Now, painting. Again, Elise has to come back. Kumwanting and Linda Vungbiaklian. All 3 of you, please come. Elise, Kumwanting, and Linda Vungbiaklian. 99. They got 99%. I don't know if I take too much time. I still want to highlight these students' name. I will announce them one after another, how many marks they score. I hope I don't take much time. Abigail Lamnaithem, she tops, she got letter marks in English, 80, and also Anjali, English 85, Selina Tingnei Hoi 90, Daphne Nemzokin 85, Hanei Hoi 83, Hanei Lambaite, Hembun Mang Haukip, then Kevin Salen Thang 87, Thailand Sang Hosai 81, Kumwan Singh 94, Lalen Sang Haukip 89, Len Boy Mang Haukip 85. Ling Hoi Chong Lungdim 85, Ling Nei Moi Haukip 87, Ling Nei Neng 80%, Ling Nei Teng 82, Linda Vungbiaklian 92, Lun Golen 82, Mary Names Jokim 84, Nancy Nemai Chong 92, then Nentong Hoi Baite 90, Simbi Munekin 87. I think if I'm to read out the whole names, I'll be taking a lot of time. I'll finish with that. And with this few motivational speech, I'd like to bid farewell to our Pasal students. Boldly go in the direction of your dreams. Remember, the only way you can fail is if you give up. You got my points? The only way you can fail is if you only give up. Every time you fail, you come one step closer to success. You are not scared. You are courageous. You are not weak. You are powerful. You are not ordinary, but you are remarkable. Give it your best and your dreams will come to life. Success is yours. Go for your dreams. It is your turn. I wish you all the very bright and prosperous future ahead. God bless you, and never hesitate to come back to us if you need our guidance and support. Thank you very much. I'm really very sorry to announce Kailen Sang, if he is there. Kailen Sang. Okay, please come. I will hand over the memento specially to you. There are so many that we miss out. These toppers of 2022, we wanted to honor them again. I asked the Director of Conflict to come forward again. We wanted to award these students subject-wise toppers. Toppers 2022, Elise, Hoineken, and Kumwan Singh. Elise come first, followed by Kumwan Singh. One student for her achievement, named Boy King, who stood 9th rank in the merit list of the paramedical and BSc Nursing CET 2022 entrance exam. I invite Boy King to come forward. Let us give her a big hand. Okay, we thank God that we could finish giving out the presentation.
Once again, thank you, Madam Carte. And now I would like to call Pasal students for a special number.
The song that we're going to be presenting today is composed of two parts. The first part is all about giving thanks to our Almighty Father. And the second part of the song will be mainly dedicated to all the outgoing students. We call
invite Sister Pumwanchang on stage to enlighten like to tell us more about the subject of our talks.
Good afternoon to our dear directors, our honored guests, my friends, and respected parents. I would like to thank God, first of all, for giving us this wonderful day. And thank you, all of you, for coming to this program, which is our felicitation and making it complete. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kum Wan Ching, Class 12, Conflict Academy, batch of 2021. And let us go through a memory of our last 2 years. We began amidst the COVID crisis, and we were clubbed similarly in a hostel together with our dear director guiding us, spoiling us easily during the hostel times. It was like a family, all of us living together, and glory be unto God for guiding us to this day. And today, first of all, I would like to ask Sir Paungam to stand in the seat while I say some few words. Dear Sir, you've been with us since the beginning of Class 11. You've been our knight in shining armor. You've spent our worst and our best with us. Thank you for everything. You've given us our best, and may God be always with you. Thank you. Thank you. Next is our teachers, our subject teachers. Can you please rise from your seats? Yes, all of you. It's been 2 years. We started our time together. I have a very great memory. So I've seen during your classes sometimes we may be at our worst behavior or our best. You've always bear with us. You're always being kind to us. And I remember maybe half of the class would be asleep during English class, but she doesn't lose hope and teaches us all. So Andy would be cracking odd jokes in the middle to awake our sleepy heads. So Raminal would be scolding us but teaching us at the same time. Sir Finley would always be answering with a bright, addictive smile, yet he never loses patience. Sir Arke would continuously write on the board. And Sir A.S. would be teaching us on how to live a healthy life and eventually become successful. Yet all these people have bared with us. They have been with us through our toughest of times. They have been tirelessly with us, taking classes maybe late at night or early in the morning. So thank you. Thank you is a little word, but it is the greatest word that we can express. You can take your seat. Next, I'd like to ask our dear warden, Sir Boon. He's been our warden since class 11. So he has seen the worst in us and the best in us. Even during late night studies, he would sit with us even though he might be tired or maybe he has never ever scolded us or made us feel like we were not enough and not giving enough. He has always stood with us. He has held our hand throughout this whole path. So sir, thank you very much. We hope that God is always with you. Last but not least is our dear parents, Nula Fatiho. You've been with us since we were born. You've always held our hand. And to this day, since we're graduating our higher secondary education, thank you very much for never losing hope in us. Thank you for standing by our side even in the toughest of our times. Thank you. And to our dear juniors, some of them which I've known personally, but some not so much. But I know it's going to be a hard year as and you will make it, okay? Last but not least, I would like to quote 2 Bible verses that would be for each of us to remember. Isaiah chapter 40, verse 31. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. And Psalm 128, verse 2. You shall eat the fruit of labor of your hands. You shall be blessed, and it shall be with you. This will be the end of my speech. Yet our going students would like to do something special. Now our subject teachers. First of all, let's call our only female teacher, Madame Parte. Next will be followed by Tenjin. Next will be Sarfini. Is he present here? Next to be followed by Miss Judy. Follow up would be Sarah MB. Sarah MB is not present. Sarah Lun Tan Lin. Next would be Miss Sean and Miss Lim. If they are not present, this would be it from the outgoing classes. Thank you.
Students of class of 2022 for taking up your time and giving us a wonderful message. Now, to have a blessing prayer, let me invite our today's minister, Reverend Thangzakap Changdoi, former Youth and Music Director, ECA, presently area pastor and Sunil Pastorate Area, ECA, to take up his time. To think that among Minister Barbara Pa and Kila Asunghin, my Chanzong, Min Tanda Field Department.
Padlobi, Padidam, Sawa, Padidam, Sambil, Labi, it's a doctor Tuni Concept Academy, Adin Pu, E.T. Hockey, Director Hilang, a staff for Millennium Board Chairman Sutri, member for Sule Hong Kong Party for Sule Student, Alori Wazo, si Nabon, Skema Kanai Kazan Islam, Kain Bolian, Sule Tuni Tilko, the two ACP Upaje Budim, is moderator ahead. Nabon, Skema Jesu Christamin, Kazan Islam, Kain Bole, Tuni Taki Party, Student Alori Wazo, si the way to tuni ei bawa patita bless prayer committee di in pakin thang ba in na ye tuni ki bam da sai phat ye da sa khat be review ga boli ka te tuni sir Dr. P.T. Paungam ama TP Paungam ama kandong khat ku somanga som ku lain 1998 valiant ama dia dola mai ti ta ke long kabai bel sung ti ni ruben ngam pu do hilai di si nang kun baptisma bowling ka ti aku ma do ku som le ku ama la le na ngen ti ila so paso mang pun se tu nang ni david tu bang ni na dia ama dia ta do mai ti aku som ku ma ni ama hi chan pha tu ni ja ko na chi ga ti le na sai ser le ni ho so te ho david te ho do mi ho lo se tu ma tu nun na ane bin te to ma tu ni kita ni ngah kami ada mana dari kupa tu ni ama aku nanti hendak kerja sehingga kita kipain patiebu Indian itu bang akademi tu cuma lolin na achiever ho adi 100% lolin adi penang 76 point ho itu bang lolin ho ikat sana ho pa patien za pa patien sama nak kami tu ni lai achiever so award sang ho khademi tu passport जाते हो भोगुं पर जाते हो जो ये मुझे तो ये देखिए लेन पतिन नहीं पिछोड़ों से दाल पतिन कथांगाइन अदे डायरेक्ट रूपा पतिन सब हो पतिन वो एंडलां मबाना जो लोलिन तो ताई नहीं बेचे कितु है तूने पकाए लज्जा पासों ही लज्जा कताऊ नहीं किया से दो एंडलां मबाना IPM सुविधा हम लाइन खासाओ हिमंदारिं कदें पायुक्सां कताऊ मसला Bible sang kat musuh ingkatin some numbers som segi lengana some numbers som segi lengana some jang segi tuni jate hoi ngam alo hi hoi sin dong patien lolin na ka jan ni kon kapasar pain ti Bible sang isim bi ti number ti the yung oben some number 75 verse 6 and 7 la sim do ingkatin adia tu ni so lam zong hidelo ni rum lam zong hidelo ba gam ti mo da zong hilo ki do sang ne chu hung so do phung ding hidia thu in tan ding ki pati le mi ki le sa ho chu asu ne wa akineo sa ho chu do sang ding ai pati ni tu is fa na ding ti pati ni bi wel la lo lin na promotion ki do sang na ki ti chu Nia di kama dong hello, rumla ma ko na dong ki pallo, ale niswal ma ko na dong hello, patinin atsati akilyo sa hosu, login na pi, tidong sang na pi, patin thangwali ka pi hi. Iya tuntunin American President somtunin na Franklin Roosevelt, hard working makes a person success. Success becomes development. Competition may be bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Na tong hat kiti chun lolin na ai so do hejen lolin na kun chun khanto na ome khanto na jem go elo hi to kam pilai te na competition lam bi chu a sa hi jong la aga ke aga lo kita ai so hi hallelujah ti na ba ni ka pi ni tune concept academy adin 12 days ho lolin na sa ta ni ni tune tumna ba kon hello isul ma kon long hello ner di kama long hello pakai din amiti ho akinyo sa ho adok sang nunu ki hilal pajin ka pati ta hi ida so program na se so na to ha sa ki po hin lolin na aso to hi ida tu tune chat ho tua 12 silai ho 11 silai ho na ha pan di ma hi ida tu tua lolin tao pun nin juga lagi tua silai ko ho do no adinga tao ne ki dunia pakai bina ka siro Indian sebenum tam tak ne program apa nanti pun tu saving dong in live ini tuntunin kita tun ka nai ka din saat yo ho se dunia 11 12 silai ho patin o lam tu cuma lo li ho do se do mapani ho patin no ki tunin pakai hasa tunin paso ki na patikin mo 12 alo mo tu se de na to na wa ku ne hung jung bin lang na ho adinga tao na ไปเองประเทศอิสราเอลประเทศนี้อเมริกาประเทศลูบูจีฮิจประเทศบุญโอเจนตุนี้ปากายซาเกมาเองนโฮประเทศเกบุญให้ยันลัง number บุญกุมนาจังสมนิเลนเองปากายนั่งมาโฮประเทศลูบูเห็นนัดจริงเจียงเห็นปากายนัดจุดจางอามายปัสอินสบายจริงเห็นลังแสดงน้ำมาจริงอันเสียจริงเห็นลังปากายนัดจุดจางจริงเห็นที่สุดน้ำมาจำนักนั่นเป็นเห็นประเทศที่มีสิ่งต่างๆที่เกี่ยวกับประเทศเป็นประเทศนี้นะเต่านะมังกรเทศถึงสิ่งของใดก็ประเทศก็คิดว่าเอาไปก็เจ้าหน้าว่าไม่มีสิทธิ์ว่าเห็นลังหาสันนะแต่ไม่มีสิทธิ์ตั้งลงในทุนนี้อดีตที่อดีตก็สูบปีด็อกเตอร์ที่พี่เขาคิดนั่นพัฒนาบัวเห็นนั่นจริงนั่นกินแต่นั่นเป็นนั่นตัวกินหัวหน้าฮิเจคอนเฟลต์อะคาเดมีอามุตินาจะบังคับแต่ฮิเจอาบุนาโรลิงนะโฮอมตาซาลินนับว่าเป็นปาตุเซลินนั่งเงินก็สูบปีอดีตด็อกเตอร์ที่พี่เขาคิดนั่นพัฒนาบัวอีหลังอัตโตโฮมปีสาวคนนั่นพัฒนาบัวอีหลังจะเลยฮิเจอาดิงามินิงบอเชอร์เนสทีเมมเบอร์โฮโซเซนันน้องพีอามาบ้านนั่งจับปั๊มตั้มแต่อินโฟซิมพันนาเอ็มันทีนิวว่านั่นนั่งลังไก่น้องพีดีนี่งานกล่าวนะถึงสิ่งของอะไรกับประเทศแต่ส่วนเดียวนี่เสียเลยเราเห็นนักกิจนี่ส่วนนั้นตรงนี้เรามีล้มล้างตรงเราเดียร์ที่พายคนนั้นตรงนี้เราฮิตที่เราสั่งนักโปรโมชั่นจงส่วนเราพูดอะไรฮิตต้องโปรโมชั่นมูโฮทุกคนที่เขาตรงนี้ว่าไม่คิดเองสาวทุกนั้นนั่นเราสั่งที่อากิเลสาวนั่นสุดยอดที่ที่เฮบินกับปาตุเสียดีทุนก็มาสนาลอยนี่จัดyang saya pakai Allah lina dan com patu สียดีมาบ้านเราดูนะปาตุมังนะพัฒน์วันนั้นตาต่อมาบ้านนี้เขาอันนี้ปีจิงนี่เขาขับเที่ยวมิสนาริขาพาสเซอร์ขาไอ้เราออฟฟิเซอร์ขาไอ้เราเมดิคอลด็อกเตอร์ขนาดนี้สิโมดีตัวนี้จัดyangเราสนามดีกว่าอะไรนะก็ตาวดีตัวนี้จัดyangเราลินจัดยังไม่จำคุยไม่น้ำดีที่จะไม่จำถึงตัวนี้อิสระไม่จำจะก้มไม่จำนั่งอะไรนั่งกินน้ำตุยนั่งคนนั้นลุงให้น่าจะพัฒน์คนนั้นทำตาจุนน้ำไม่จำไม่รู้ที่จะไม่จำถึงตัวนี้ที่จะคอนเฟลต์อะคาเดมีอาดิงเดสัตย์อโลหิโอโซเสียดีกับเรามีคนน้ำมันกินน้ำมันจำมีรสชิมชิมทานด้วยบิดาใครน้ำมันโลกินเอโซเฮนที่จะกับสนาหุ่นดินสัตย์โอโซเสียดำเทกัดเทบ่อยดีเนยง่ายกาวอินโซลเสียจุปากายเจสคริสต์อามินามุตาวไว้อาเมนเอ็ดไฟปฏิบัติด้วย
We would like to thank Reverend Thamsakat Chongloy for his comforting words of prayer. Tuni Conflict Academy 10 program co-organized nawa ngayon na sala ayong kalsun piuba patay yung tumpio. Reverend po Thamsakat Chongloy chunga sa ito yung kapato na ipumobe. Tun to grace the stage, may I call upon Sister Ling Hui Ching and Sister Min Chong to showcase their talent to us.
Thank
to honor us with his presence is Elder J. Pungdem for exhortation speech. I am overjoyed to take this opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the day. Before we call him on stage, allow me to give a brief introduction about him. So, Elder J. Pungdem is a retired Indian Defense Account Service, and it will be nice to know that he is also our Board of Advisor of our school, Conflict Academy. He finished his matriculation in JN Model School, Chorajantpur. He passed out his PUC, BA, and MA in Shillong. He served as a probationary officer, New Bank of India. His designation includes Assistant Controller of Defense Accounts, Deputy Controller of Defense Accounts, Assistant Financial Advisor, Joint Controller of Defense Accounts, and his latest designation being the Additional Controller General of Defense Accounts. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause as we welcome our very versatile and hardworking designator.
It's a great honor for me to be invited and share few thoughts with the students of Class Academy. First of all, I praise and thank the Lord for giving me this opportunity. Secondly, I would like to thank the Director of the Academy, Dr. T.P. Hauke, for inviting me to speak here today. In fact, as one of the advisory board members, it is my first opportunity to meet the students and the teaching staff of the academy for the first time. I'm sorry, I believe there was no occasion to meet like this earlier. I was also wondering why the director was not inviting me to come and meet all of you. So I think this is the right time that he came and told me that he's organizing this program and he'll be happy to have me as a speaker today. So first of all, I would like to extend my greetings to the outgoing students and the present students and the parents here and the teaching staff, whoever has come for this program. I believe if I speak in my mother tongue, all the students can understand also. So I'll be sharing about, my experience also in a very, very short form. Because if I have to speak out what I have done, where I was posted and all, it will take too much of our time. So I will not be taking too much time on the line. In fact, the pastor had read a few Bible portions, but I would also like to read a few more. Proverbs chapter 16, verse 3. I'll be reading in other Bukit language. It's written like this. Nabo nato chai su tai pedo jing. So the Tilbun upon sa he. Then verse 9 also. Mihimin alungkil suma achi nating lampi agugin. Ahi wangit pakalin akal senading akopi ye. Then one more. Proverbs chapter 25, verse 28. Ama le ama ki tim zo lo bihin su achim sa kopi apal zo si ki bodwa kida hi athinin athu sin yo azo si digan atin Prayer Academy su na ha digin khathe ebo kitaban amen tomsa sharing ko bolu men azowa profile and simulation zen modela class 10 kapasir KGN model 1976 batch 74 class 9 75 class 10 kasimin GN model Recently, a retired CMO, Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Bong Jin Pao, took classmate, Dr. Thamugin Loy, Patatam, Pigani. Now, to get student of Omakase, no, so, Jan Model Kai class 9 casino. Teacher or student or interview a board. We were asked about our aim in life. Each student was told one by one when I was in class 9. Our teachers, not only one teacher, they were all sitting together and they asked us, one by one, what is your aim in life? When my turn came, of course I was also thinking about my aim in life. When they asked me, I straight away said, I would like to be a government officer. And they asked what type of officer. Then I say, of course I would be happy to be an IAS officer. But if not, at least my title should begin with I. So if by God's grace I could achieve this Indian Defence Account Service. This also in my first attempt. I appeared civil services 4 times. Preliminary and then main. I went for the interview 4 times. But I couldn't make into the IAS. I just wanted to tell you that when I was preparing for the civil services for the IAS exam, I joined the service after my first attempt when I got IDAS, Indian Defence Account Service. I joined the service and I went on appearing. Every time I got through, my name used to come in the list also. But during our time, one cannot change the service. Once I got into IDS, I cannot change to IRS or civil accounts. But now one can do that. During our time was not possible. So I would have, if I got IAS or IPS only that, but IPS I never opted. Somehow I didn't want to be a uniform officer, maybe because I don't have that height required for that also. So anyway, I was not keen. But I prayed to God. When I read Proverbs, the Tilbol na I told so si pagaya pito sudila bona lo thingi. As a child of God, I was a born again student. So I prayed to God. God, I want to be an IAS officer. But if I became an IAS officer and if I forget you, if I don't stop going to church, if I stop going to church, please don't give me, that was my prayer. I prayed to God. God, I wanted to be an IAS officer. But if I became an IAS officer, I forget you. Please don't. God answered my prayer. In my last attempt, in the 4th attempt, my result was very good. Interview was very good. But as per my assessment, my interview was very good. But somehow there was a mix-up. I'll tell you in a very brief manner. Interview went off well. The chairman was asking me about the problems of foreigners issue in Assam. Assam education was going. Then I told him, sir, yes, there are foreigners. Then he said, how do you say they are foreigners? Sir, the population, 1951 census is this, 61 is this, 71 is this, 81 is this. So the increase from 71 to 81 is abnormal. It is not the normal increase of population. Then he asked me, where are those people from? I said, sir, they were crossing over from East Pakistan, which was Bangladesh. What did they come? I told him, sir, there are 2 reasons. Number one is political, because Bangladesh became independent. It was East Pakistan. And people, it was undivided India. Walk over, cross over to India, and became Indian citizen because they have so many relatives. Then, when I gave the figure also, he was convinced. But at the last moment, I made a big blunder. He asked me, who are those so-called foreigners? I don't know what prompted me to say that. I should have said Bangladeshis. But I say, sir, they were Bengali Muslims. And the chairman, my chairman was a Bengali. His name was S. Samadar. Samadar, I never knew that he was a Bengali. Had it been Bhattacharjee, Chatterjee, Banerjee, I would have known that he was a Bengali. He was a Bengali. He was very, very mentally disturbed when I used the word Bengali. But the Lord answered my prayer. That time in the interview was, the full mark was 250. Earlier interview I used to get 125, 130, 135 out of 250. More than 50. But in the last interview he gave me only 65. Had he given me even 100, I would have been liberalized. But God answered my prayer because had I been IS, my chance of becoming elder, Charles elder, is impossible. Because the saying goes that power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolute. When people are having power, they started doing so many things. So God answered my prayer. Today my advice to all of you is that as Reverend Rick Warren has written a book about the purpose-driven life, I wonder how many of you have read this book, Purpose-Driven Life. Whoever has read this book, among the students, kindly raise up your hand. No one. I think the elders must have read. Reverend Rick Warren has written a book, Purpose-Driven Life. It is a very good book. So you can get here also in the EBC book room or any other book room. You may kindly buy and read. There he wrote that God has created each of us for a purpose. So now my advice to all of us is that having found out that purpose for what God has created. Many of you, your director told me that you are interested in becoming a doctor. Yes, I'm very happy, yes. Or any other line that you may choose. But kindly pray to God and ask God if you have not found the purpose for which God has created you. Ask God to tell you, to let you know what is the purpose. So as I was telling you, since I have chosen civil services to be my aim, I was very clear in my aim. So I studied for that. I prepared for that. But in the meantime, in the meanwhile, there was some problem. I was studying in Shillong. My dad used to call me to appear in Manipur Civil Service Center. Somehow I filled up the form, but before the exam, I refused to come. The second time, my dad was so angry. He said, "You are not listening to it." I said, "Dad, please don't mind. If I come and appear, by God's grace, I may get through. But because finally I will not get selected. I know. Because in Manipur, without money, nothing is possible." Then he asked me how much is required. At that time, I asked my friend, they said 2 lakhs in 1981. 2 lakhs was a big amount. I told Dad, I don't have 2 lakhs, that's why I didn't come. He said, "Let us sell our land, let us sell our properties." I said, "No, Dad. You have given me the best possible education for me. That is enough." To get a job is my job. It's not here. I'm not allowed to sell any of our property to buy me a job. What's your opinion? So I am in the middle. There's a warm water. So see them to be. So I told that God will give me a job. I'm not worried about it. It's my duty. So I was studying in Shillong. I have few friends with whom we were praying once every week. That was on Thursday evening. Reverend Dino Totang, my friend Reverend Dino Totang, who became a pastor, and another friend who became a bank officer and retired, Ane Haukim, who was my best friend in my wedding also. And there was another friend, Lalboy Singh Seth. We, four of us, came together to Dino's place and prayed together. Our prayer was, God, we have come here to study. Please give us good health. We need health to study. God, give us good health. We know our duties. Our duty is to study. So as I was aiming for civil services, I was subscribing to newspapers at that time also, and magazines regularly, and my line of preparation was for that. That's why, by God's grace, in my first attempt itself, I got this job. So today, what I would like to advise to all of our friends here is that, but first you must find out for what God has created. Has God created you to be a doctor, or a veterinarian, or any other? That you have to find out. And after that, when your aim is very clear, then there's no problem. As I said, in Manipur, where I'm very sorry to say this, that to get a job, one has to pay. Otherwise, not possible. So for us, government of India has enough job. Let us not be worried about the job. Let us be sincere in our preparation. Then, God is here. The second Bible verse I read was that one who cannot control himself cannot succeed in his life, in all her life. So we have to control ourselves. I kept telling my friends that when I was preparing for the civil services exam in Delhi, New Delhi, I was sharing a room with my friend Alam Khaute, who retired as DG police. He was my roommate. We studied together. Because we studied so much, so that we had to put some partition wall in the form of some clothes hanging. Because I wanted to sleep, but he wanted to study. So just to block the light, we put curtain. So in that year, he did not get through. I got into his civil service in 1984. That was 83 exam I'm talking about. So the next year he got the police service. What I'm trying to say is that we studied so much so that we could not feel, sometimes we could not have time to feel sleepy also. I studied the whole night for 2 nights. It was not my intention to study the whole night. I studied this, I studied another book, so much to study. I told my friends I was having no time to feel sleepy. Then I heard the sound of some birds singing. So I just opened my curtain and it was morning. I said, it's too much. I went to the toilet and came back and slept for about 5-6 hours. That's what we studied. But what I'm trying to say is that first, find out what God wants you to be in life. Then accordingly, you can go. And I just wanted to share a few of my experiences as Government of India officer. My friend, Pune Foundation, he became the Controller General of Defense Accounting by Department. I'm very happy for him because he was lucky. His batchmates, the other Indian batchmen, they were older than him, age-wise. So they all retired and he became the Controller General. I could not become the Controller General because my batchmates were much 2-3 years younger than me. But by God's grace, I became the Additional Controller General of Defense Account, number 2 position for Government of India, equivalent to Additional Secretary to the Government of India. So my experience, I just wanted to share a few of my experiences. When I applied for Planning Advisor in the Northeastern Council post in Shillong, NEC Planning Advisor post, I was competing with 5 IAS officers and 1 Audit Account Service officer. But the criteria was that one should have been empaneled to hold the post of Joint Secretary to the Government of India. I was the only one who was qualified. So this, what the UPSC did, they did not want to select me because I was not an IAS officer. Planning Advisor had always been IAS officer. So they wanted to reject me, so indirectly, instead of rejecting me, they re-advertised the post. And the wording that they used was that due to lack of enough competition, this post has been re-advertised. 5 IAS officers, 1 Audit Accounts officer, and myself, 7 of us. And they said, lack of enough competition. Just because they did not want to select me. This I came to know from the inner people who were serving there. But from Chachapur also many of our friends are serving in there. Then the advertisement says those people who have already applied did not apply again. So I didn't apply. So afterwards, 1 more IAS officer from Mizoram also applied. Somehow, by God's grace, he was also not empaneled for holding the post of Joint Secretary to the Government. I was the only one. In the second chance also, they had no choice. They selected me. I was the first non-IAS officer to occupy the post of Planning Advisor in the Northeastern Council. And I was there for 5 years. What I'm trying to say is that wherever you are, one thing is that to achieve your goal. Second thing is that to excel in wherever you are. That is very, very important. So people were surprised that you are non-IAS officer. How do you come as a planning advisor? I said, I've been selected by the UPSC. I do. You go and ask them. My secretary, the boss, I was the number 2, was IAS officer. I told him, sir, we need a reform. And he said, what? Manipur is getting only 3-4% of the total allocation of funds for the Northeastern Council. We have 7 states, including Sikkim 8. Sir, we should get more than 10%. Why is it that Manipur is getting only 4-5%? He said, no, we cannot divide equally. Sir, but we have to do something. I don't say it should be equal share for all the states. But somehow the difference should not be too much. Why Meghalaya is getting so much? Assam is getting so much. Manipur, Mizoram, they are getting too little. So Mr. Lumdim, what is your plan? I said, sir, I have a plan. Whenever we sanction any project, agriculture, industry, so many departments, we should sanction 1 each for all the states. 8 states. How do you do it? So that I'm the planning advisor, I will have a meeting with my people and I will put up to you. I had a sitting, 2-3 sittings, and I said every time we put up for secretary sanction on agriculture matter, each state should get 1 money. The amount may not be same, it may be different. Finally, the secretary accepted my proposal. And with that, Manipur state became more than 10%. And Ibobi Singh, who was the Chief Minister of Manipur at that time, he was very, very happy. He knew me personally, and I could call him up anytime. He had my number also. I was hoping that had the Congress been in power after my retirement, they may put me as member of UPSC and MPSC. Then I would try to reform MPSC also, I was thinking. But maybe God had another plan for me. So that was not possible. What I'm trying to say is that wherever you are, you excel in that. You leave a mark behind you. On the day of my retirement, or after my retirement, we had a pension my child. There, I invited Reverend Kaiser come to be the main speaker. And my wife gave a short speech, and I was very happy, impressed with her speech, that she said, my husband, wherever he was posted, he left something behind for other people to remember. I am very, very happy about it. So my advice to all these outgoing students and the present students is that please find out what is your purpose. What purpose God has created you, and after that, you reach your goal. And don't be just happy and satisfied. You excel in that. Do something excellently so that people will always remember. Last but not least, please don't mind, I'll just take another few minutes. Then I was also finance officer in Nehu, Northeastern Hill University, where I did my graduation and post-graduation. There also, what I did, since it was my university, I wanted to go and do something. Because the development was not taking place. So, I applied for that, I got selected. The teachers came and requested me also. It is your university, of course I was posted in Shillong, in my department. They came and requested, please come and do something for your university. I said, yes, I applied. By God's grace, I got picked up. I joined the job. And my office room was a hostel room. One hostel building was reappropriated for administrative building. I told the Vice Chancellor, sir, what is this? He said, the whole school building which was lent to us by the state government have taken them. So we have no place. We moved in the hostel building. I said, sir, this is too much. Then within 1 month of my joining, he called a planning board meeting. I was a member because I was the finance officer, financial advisor to the Vice Chancellor. Within 1 month, he called the meeting. In the first meeting, they said, planning for the next 5 years. We require hostel, we require district building, we require classrooms, this, that. Because the university was scattered in 3 campuses. Permanent campus, visiting campus, and Marine Bus. 3, and the library building was 15 kilometers away from permanent campus. It was so shocking. I said, after I left the university for more than 10 years, it's still like this. Then we had the board meeting, and they said, we need this, we need hostel, we need a building, we need classrooms. But the VC said, ultimately, but there's no money. There's no fund, there's no fund. I got fed up. I said, sir, excuse me, can I say something? He said, yes, please. Are we discussing planning or are we discussing budget? I am not clear. He said, of course we are discussing planning. But why do you always say there's no money, no money? Then he said, Mr. Longdi, without money you can't do anything. I said, sir, I'm sorry. This is planning board meeting. Planning means what we need in the next 5 years. That we have to plan. You always say about money. Sir, I'm sorry, money is not your headache. Money is my headache. Huh? He was staring at me. Mr. Longdi, what do you say? I say, yes, sir, I am your financial advisor. I have come here to arrange money. You tell me what do you need. Then you say, your predecessor, they always say no money, no money. And you say money is your headache. Yes, it's my headache. I'm here to raise money. He said, Sama, they were clapping. Then, sir, no. Can I say something more? I said, yes. First, let us construct a Muslim building, classrooms, hostels. Let us bring all the other two campuses in the permanent campus. Then, multi-purpose convention hall for conducting convocation and other things. And he or they have all agreed. Then I said, sir, in the meeting, I want these estimates within 1 month. How? 1 month? Yes, they have to work day and night. After they prepared the estimate, I'll take this by hand to Delhi. I was very happy. Then I kept changing the engineers. They completed their estimate within 1 month. After 1 month, I put up the note, a DO letter from my vice chancellor to the secretary, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Higher Education. Don't worry, I'll see that these are all things. I said, thank you very much. I went and met. I met his financial advisor. I explained to him, he also. Then I went to the chairman UGC. The same letter copy. They were all shocked. How a central university could not have a library building. How a central university could not have a administrative building. They were all shocked. Then ultimately, within 2-3 months, one after the other, the sanction order came. And VC, Rachel and myself were laying the foundation stone for library building, administrative building, classrooms, multi-purpose hall. Within 2.5 to 3 years of my joining, all have come up. What I'm not trying to bragging myself. What I'm trying to say is that if there is a will, there is always a way. If you want to do something good, government, I told VC, government of India is not so poor that they can't sanction all this. This is a central university, is their university. They have to see that these are the basic requirements of that. So, by God's grace, within 3 years of my joining, everything was good. Somehow I was appreciated by the VC. Only problem was my promotion came on my promotion for 3 years. He did not want to release me. There was problem. My department kept on pestering me that he should go and join the new assignment. I said, I'm not released, how do I join? Of course, that was settled afterward. They gave me pro forma promotion. That means the same post I was holding, they gave me promotion. And of course, the pay I was not getting, the lower pay, but the difference was only 100 rupees. But the best part was that in Shillong, I did not pay income tax. So I was a gainer. What I'm trying to say today is that if we all give our best in whatever position you are, the first thing I'm trying to tell you is that you are the child of God. We are all the children of God. God's children should behave like those. In my office also, I was always on time. I'll be the last to go back. I never left my table without clearing the file. Let it be 7 p.m., 8 p.m. I didn't. I said, let me clear my table. Only those complicated cases where court cases are there, which require my proper study. Only those things I left once a while. That was what I was doing. Today what I'm trying to say is that as a child of God, I should do my duty sincerely. Then only God will be with me. I am very happy to say this. Till the last day, on my last day of the office also, I left office around 6:30 p.m. Though the office was to be over by 6, I left at 6:30. So my dear students, kindly give your best so that God will be happy and people with whom you are working will remember you. Last only 2 minutes after, I had a chance to work with the Chief of Staff. Army, Navy, Air Force, they had one Chief of Staff, General Bipin Rawat. Bipin Rawat, he was also my boss. For 1 year in Army headquarters. He loved me so much. He forced me to go to Russia. I was having a heart problem. I did not want to take a long flight. He said, Mr. Lungnim, I know without you, these negotiations will not be true. So you must, I said, sir, I have heart problems. What heart problem? I have a stent put in my artery. He said, don't worry, it is only 6.5 hours. Oh, I said, sir, it is 6.5 hours flight, then I can go. I thought it's more than 10 hours flight. I went. By God's grace, the negotiations. We went for 2 weeks, it was not through. So another 1 week was extended. By God's grace, 95% of the project was through. And he was so happy that in my annual confidential report, he gave me 10 was the maximum marks. If I get 8 and above, it is outstanding. But he was not happy to give 8 or 9. He gave me 10 in all the colors. I was shocked. By God's grace, I have been getting more than 8 all the time. 9.5 also I got. He gave me 10 in all the colors. I was so shocked. I went and met him. I said, sir, I came to say thank you. What thank you? He said, sir, I never got 10 out of it. This first time you gave me 10 out of 10. Mr. Lungnim, there's no big deal about it. You deserve it, that's why I do it. There's no big deal. Have tea. He offered me. What I'm trying to say is that if you work sincerely, your boss will know, your colleagues will know, everyone will know. Let us be citizens who are known as the children of God. That is what I'm trying to say. Please. But here is our human. Ihin Kova. Meet Patino Ilamu. Please. I think I've taken too much of your time. I think I should with my speech. Cái kiểu họ vẽ xe thì vào cái gì nào nhắm tia cho con họ nào ra tiền nào tiền counseling mà nó đầy vào đi cái bộ phim đó I am be very happy to talk to of you and you are welcome anytime. Principal Panzo, as well Director Panzo, Patam Dana, Koromai, that he can see K. Like if I'm going to a result of a keep up more. Kehon Lion, Kehon Kabor Lion, metric first division to so long families. The old Pausam Silin will give Reverend Dean will give the party 23 voices. To like first division, Tom Die. Came out the first division, come with Open, second can Kanahi. I resolved that. Second, first, he part of Job giveaway. The aim to a billion. Some care, boy, aim, later of the way. It's all the normally. Say here, say about that, but here, that. Also, say, my lung, the COVID. Say, how, but he born bathing, but he would love. But if I God bless all of you, please, thank you.
We are honored to have you as our board of advisor of this institution, Confed Academy. May God continue to guide you and bless you, sir. And now for our next item, we have vote of thanks from Sir Fini. To have the delivered this on behalf of 2021 batch, I would like to call Sister Marilia to take up her time.
I would like to give thanks to the Almighty God for giving us this moment. We are quite large in number, more than I expected. And dear respected teachers, parents, and fellow schoolmates, I would like to wish you all a very good afternoon once again. Today, I came before you all with a lot of emotion. And I am actually a very emotional girl, and my voice might also be shaking, but I hope you don't mind. I would like to give thanks to the organizers of this program for giving me these auspicious opportunities to stand in front of you all. And today I am standing here on behalf of my batch class of 2021. I'm not going to talk much about, I'm going to talk about what we experienced. I'm not going to go too much in detail about giving thanks and all. I hope you get what I mean. I'm kind of nervous. I am actually lost in word to how to begin my speech, because thinking about the school, our school has given us many precious memories that are truly priceless, which are too precious to even put into words. I can still remember the day I first walked into the school premises. It was not fully built yet, everything was not in order yet, but now everything has seemed to fall in place, and it has changed a lot within these few years. I'm kind of feeling nostalgic thinking of the first day. My batch, class of 2021, we are less in number, only a total of 14, but that is also quite an advantage, I should say, because since we are less in number, we were like a family. Our director, Dr. D.P. Paunam, he has loved us dearly like his own children, and we too, my classmates too, we looked him up like our own dad. The bond we share is still strong and irreplaceable till now. The memories flashback like those in movies, like how we begin from scratch, but then God has led us till this moment, and I should say it is a very great blessing upon each and every one of us, especially our director. And I would like to thank God again. And talking about being the first batch, the word first batch holds a very great meaning to it. Since we were the first batch, we hold many responsibilities. And talking about responsibilities, that comes with a lot of sacrifices. We have faced many pros and cons during our time in class 11 and 12. You must be wondering why I said these pros and cons, right? These pros and cons means advantage and disadvantage. We face many advantages as well as disadvantages. Now I will highlight a few of the advantages. Since we were the first batch, we get to be a part of decision-making process. We were the first to experience the first of everything of the school, and it was exciting. And like I said before, we were like a family. It feels like home. Even in sickness and in health, our director, he loved us dearly. He cared for us like his own children, and he never fails to check up on us. He corrects us in our wrongs, give us encouragement from time to time. And I doubt will there be a thoughtful principal like us, the Pamphlet students have. And now, let's talk about the cons, the disadvantages. It's normal that in life there is always an ups and downs, right? Just like that, we also have many downs. Being the first batch, we were entrusted with the image of the school. It was us who will bring a good name or a bad name to the school, and that comes, like I said, that comes with a lot of sacrifices. We were pressured to do our best. And we were confined in hostel like throughout class 12. It was hard at that moment, but because we used to have many breakdowns. We missed our parents. It was during lockdown, during COVID-19. We couldn't meet with our parents much and we were just confined here. But it was all for our own good, and till today I am thankful for the director and the teachers involved for shaping us. Looking back to those days, little did we know that those days were the moments. Those moments were the ones that strengthened us to face any situations in life ahead. We learned a lot of life-changing lessons from that. And if we hadn't been confined in those times, we wouldn't have acquired the knowledge that we have now. And I would once again like to thank our director and our teacher for walking the extra miles despite the restrictions, despite the COVID-19. You all have sacrificed your times in shaping us, and we will forever be in that. And now I would like to address my classmates and dear juniors. As you are all passing out your class 12, an important chapter of your life is coming to an end, but a whole new chapter of life is awaiting you all. The future is not something to be scared of. It is something that you should all gladly embrace. Personally, I don't know what the future holds, but I can assure you that the knowledge that we gain in Bonflet, the school experience, the learning, will come to our rescue. I am talking this on my experience. Since we were given many importance, I should say, we were given the utmost attention in studies and in behavior wherever I go. Because of the strong foundation, the problems that I face are lesser as compared to the other students. And that is what I meant by our knowledge here in Bonflet will come to our rescue. And I couldn't give you all the best of advice, but here's a little advice from me. That whatever you do, whatever career you may choose, whatever option you may go for, first of everything, put God first and give all your best in everything that you do. And I wish and pray that you will all be successful someday, and hoping to address you all as doctors or engineers or whatever you wish to someday. I have said enough for today, right? Well, do you actually think I will end my speech without addressing our teachers? Obviously no. They are the most important ones, so I'm saving the best for the last. Dear teachers, what we are today is because of you all. We couldn't have made this far without you all. Furthermore, the knowledge that you imparted on us is one of the most valuable things in our life. The knowledge that you gave us will be a weapon for us in the future. And we would like to, on behalf of my classmates, we would like to ask forgiveness for all the wrongdoings, the disobedience or whatever problems we may have caused, and giving you the utmost heartfelt thanks to you all. We could never I could never thank you enough. All will forever be in debt we will forever be in your debt. That is what I meant to say. And to conclude my speech, on behalf of the first batch of Bonflet Academy, I would like to thank our director, our dearest teachers, and wish nothing but the best for the institutions to flourish. Me and my classmates, we have prepared a small gift as a token of appreciation and thanksgiving. Since we are less in number and we are low in budget, we couldn't prepare for each and every teachers, but we would like to give a small gift to our director. Can you please come to the stage? And to hand over the gift, I would like to call upon my classmates, all of you.
Okay. 1, 2. Begitu.
Patung kat rinda na ini na sehingga saya bakal tahun ini sehingga saya mau bertemu dengan ini saya mau lagi kat Dubai.
Now may I call upon Sister Bridget on stage for performing for us a beautiful number.
First of all, before I sing, I would like to apologize for any mistakes that I may make and any voice cracks that might happen because I do not have much experience performing on stages, but our principal here, he had a lot of faith in me, choosing me to perform here today. So, I will try my best to live up to his expectations.
Let us now welcome a man who does not need an introduction and is very well known to us for his knowledge and wisdom. Ladies and gentlemen, please join join with me in welcoming our very beloved director, Dr. D.P. to the stage.
Thank you, Anna. At the very outset, I would like to thank Almighty God for this beautiful afternoon where all of us come together and give thanks to Almighty God for all His blessings. I am a little bit emotional. At the same time, I am very happy and proud. So I don't know which way to choose. Before going further, I would like to give my respect to Elder Zebundin, whom I used to call affectionately Epa. He has talked about Mehu days. Yes, he was associated with me those college days in Shillong. Then when I did my post-graduation, he was the finance officer. And we have so many advantages, which I have so many things in mind, but time doesn't permit me to say all those things. I will be skipping that. And Reverend Tanzaka Chongloi, whom I used to call Pratap since my school days, and he was still a pro-pastor. We were staying together at the same church, and I'm really glad to have them both at this beautiful occasion. And not to forget my beloved and respected parents. Because of your support, because of your trust, because of your cooperation, Conflict Academy can organize this function. And before going further to my dear students, I would like to give some traditional soul to our pastor and Elder Zebundin as a token of our love and appreciation for sparing their valuable time. Of course, the soul in my spice food doesn't suit the weather, but then I'm helpless because the situation demands it, and I'm struggling. And I would like to ask them to please come over to the stage for a photograph. And my wife, Madam, will please do the honor of presenting the showcase. For the benefits of some of our parents, I'll be using my mother tongue in between. Uni nihahi trong the same time. Lumhal zohomin. Trong cái máy, còn là party ho, thì khi các bạn đi một nhiều đi, thì Conflict Academy yang mahu baca. Nếu sekarang di paling, nếu sekarang di Babangan so vision dicipta, tuk dicipta, kali dicipta, tak sanelita, ane kumaco ni sombeli ehari. To the first batch, Maria yang berisi dari mau batch itu family tak ada yang lebih sering. Apa tiada apa bani masa kasih muncul. Ibang aku tidak, ibang sih tidak. Orang sesuatu pak satu. Aku mungkin lockdown di depan. Nah, lebih soal lagi ni na so parents so kami di kau tu bah ada ni. Mungkin aku tu utim kelas laut. Kami biasa kelas luar. Tiwa ada. Apa ni ada tu? Ông đi cùng ông ngồi vắng chỉ mà chín điều cùng các con xem đi cùng một chỗ, như bây giờ ông có thể là ตัวจริงเสียงในมีเดียของนะอะไรไม่ได้หมดเจ้าดูดีของกิจวัตรต่างๆที่เขาที่ตัวนาที่เขาyang penting cuma dia lihat dia ini setabang hal yang itu tabang breeze lahของmulai bahu cuma tu ni dia bahu sih first bed so Lisa he bahu cun I abon of exam lo dia ang pasok so lah cuma bangkit I first division ni abon of promoted here I had to exam lo hizia su ikipa na su chamkim lo katu mo na ikipa pi lo na lo ako na tao wa su amo ho pa zo wa su covid ki tu na lai ai ji tu ni ka bang function ni an ki bo ki tu tin tu mo no ya ki biu ta ki chain the first day so I ke na chama sa hi no le pa ti ho chama sa tu ti ki le su ke mọi cái sản phẩm cái công chuyện đúng ship mong đam mê đang một cái đúng ship của thì nó vào ngày cuối cái chỉ tôi nghĩ second batch rồi thì đúng ship đến phòng người Việt và đến phòng thung lặng thì cái gì all là cái tầng một circumstance chúng phòng thung lên gì cái này hay là phòng thung lên thung là gì vậy ni khati kamu asal jen class 11 cuma mengatain ayla covid om nalai kam thobe first day so mu le pa bo so ake po form ni mu le pa pe odi ti do dam or men la school ka de kha awin ni ti do ham ta he ko wa he ai po first day so na bo so bo ta pe zele du so le khom ta pe ti zui hin ko mi tu to le so ostela ni ko ki din Til thấy rằng khi rồi mình màu vàng chim tạ tạ giống một viên tệ, anh hiện trên chuồn bát thiên liền, ham bò ho, trung tâm kỹ thuật thế bộ viên, anh là result cho anh cái ngã lần để cho công tác học tập masang dệt cho hiểu về ông số viên, result cho tâm kỳ in currently expect more maybe again so sangat dengan expect so moment currently expect sana sambil so moment overall in bang so ani penen 70.8 in why that the palm has in students of those congratulations by college it's why it will be so no the party of cooperation they belong they tak seberapa dia tak lebih ahi itu hasil berbagai mohon maaf and to my dear friends from the teaching faculties due to some unavoidable circumstances some of our friends could not show up especially to Sun and B they were hospitalized their baby boys in ICU even though some of you have shown up I'm really happy. And I want to give the credit for the good result that we are facilitating today and we are having sort of Thanksgiving. It is because of the dedication. It is because of the sacrifices that we make as a team, as a family, that our boys and girls are signing. So thank you teachers. On behalf of Content Academy, I would like to thank each and every one of you. Cái teacher here, Content Academy, board member, là dòng phát lên giáo viên một số cái bảo thủ sẽ đến một đợt lên sẽ đi xuống này rồi cái gì là sẽ lo sau này thằng nào udah nào quay lại phải đi tập yoga mình không giống gì là chỗ cái bảo thủ sẽ đến tôi tâm sẽ cùng meeting speech ka prepare. I was prepared with a speech. I thought of why should I prepare in such a joyous and such a wonderful moment. Throw away those prepared speech and speak your heart. That is what I'm here for. My dear students, I'm a little bit emotional, as I said, because most of you will be leaving. And yes, I'm happy with the result. Your midnight oil, your struggles, scolding, that you get from me, from other teachers, has finally paid off, right? So congratulations all of you once again. And I'm really, really proud of you all. And I'm not going to confuse you for your future career. Okay. Upa Zerungi has said many things, but let me not confuse you more. And I know most of you, if not all, you have selected your goals. Stick with it. What I'm trying to say, stick with it, stick to it. If somebody else can, why can't we? Why can't we? That should be the spirit. Okay? And what I want to tell you, the most important thing in life, do what makes you happy. Why you want to become a doctor? Why you want to become a civil servant? Why you want to become a teacher? Or why you want to become anything else in life? Ultimately, that should make you happy. Our goal. Why you are chasing for money? Why you are chasing for fame? Why you want to serve God? I may sound a little bit selfish here, but ultimately, at the end of the day, it is your own happiness. Go for it. Nobody can take you away. Take away from you. So that is my last message to my dear students. God be with you all, and I know that you can do. We have been through so many hurdles for the last 2-3 years. We have been together. Now you're graduating with a percentage which are quite commendable, and I believe in the future career choice of yours, you will do the same. Just that, don't give up. It will be hard, I know. You need to make lots of sacrifices. You want to be a doctor, you want to be an engineer, you want to be an expert. That's still well and good. But to do that, that thing will not come easily. You have to pay for it. You need to sacrifice. Remember that. And the rest, as long as you do your duty, God is there about you. Parents are there to support you. Then God blessings automatically will sign upon you, and you will be a successful person in your future. And I want to see 5 years from now, some of you should become a doctor. Yes, I believe, I have full confidence. Some of you will graduate and be a civil servant. Some of you in different other professions of life are a successful one. So, as I always say, even in the class, nobody is mean, nobody is sealed and brought down here of this to be an IS officer or to be a pastor. Upa Zerungi, he said, like, had time permits us, he would have said he's struggling days, but then because of limitation of time, he could not have said. But then he has the story of struggling and he's a successful person. One of the parents, Reverend Kuboesia among us, he is a pastor. He might have made a lot of sacrifices to become that. The same thing will apply to you. If you want to become a doctor, do what it takes. Sacrifice it. Then nobody can stop you. This is what we did. Now we have say the thing to say again. Say lang. Emotional din so to know him. Confide ka din hi. Neo tsaki pa nahi humble tsaki pa nahi. Ay vision clear ta. Tung na di ta. Ngayon na di ta pa nahi zen. Patinin ta kung bupa na hin to zomi. Patinin yung tin mabanazang kuni panho kuni kita kuni panho bi panahin patin patin po pintin kunungazong mabanazong isasang brother paisol paso kuni ko ami ho like ko mo ni room event ko pa sa law God willing ako ni so that mo ko like kung hindi patin taksan kung le vision, team confident vision in a father. took the back in a quality education Japan or like in part or in the Pahi Patin Ideyu. In example, it will go to here. Mate, oleh bahawa komen atau sekuma, apun to yang sekir sekalu lagi ada mungkin. God bless all of my students. Thank you all. As I honestly admit that I was not prepared, I forgot something in between. And Madam must also have been the same problem, because we are the one who is running up and down for this program. Had it been our own campus, it would have been easier. But renting here, for the sound, for the stair, for everything, we have to run around. That is why everything has mixed up. So I sincerely apologize for that. Many of our teachers will not show up today, but whoever comes, as a token of our love and appreciation for the good result, I would like to give a very, very small gift to each and every one of you. I don't know how many of you are still here. Yeah, I will start with ladies first. Yeah, I would like to ask my better half, please come and help me out. Yeah. Let us start with the ladies. Madam Secretary, please. It is a very, very small thing, but Miss Zudi, please. Sarmanjit, Sarfini, please come. Okay, I'm sorry, I sincerely apologize once again for missing out one of the most important people of our trade academy. Thank you once again.
And now I would like to call upon Mr. Fidi for a lot of thanks.
Honorable guests, Dule Padeo, Chadeo, my dear colleagues, Naboni Nirapa. I feel honored to prepare a speech. A word of thanks on behalf of this academy. What an outstanding academy it is. I hope you agree. I would like to thank our guest, Reverend Tanzakap, Upaje Lungdi, and Putongkai Haukip for attending this auspicious program. Thank you all. And I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to the director, Sati P. Haukip, Dr. T. P. Haukip, and the teachers, staffs, non-teaching staffs, for taking a great effort in Madam Party, especially taking a great effort to prepare and organize this function. And I'm also grateful to the students and make us proud, and I hope the best in the future. And next I would like to thank the technical staffs, the light service providers, sound service, everyone who is involved in today's program. And thank you once and all again, and I hope you enjoy it again. Thank you, everyone.
Now, audiences, ladies and gentlemen, may I request all of us to rise up from your respective seats as we join our voices together in singing the hymn, Till We Meet Again.
Video na. Photo kan लाग्छ. Ready? Ready? Hey.
ba kaya la sao de ba za gin le thei le mu to tho pakai anga la mu hi te ko pi le da pi tu mo tin pakai tham ba la sadin hong ki ko mun ki ba te in se lang da sai ku be te thon ba kaya la sao de ba za gin le thei le mu to tho pakai anga la mu hi te ko pi le da pi tu mo tin pakai tham ba la sadin hong ki ko mun ba choi dia long ba thi choi an te tham ba dia long a hi lo pi ba kai cho ton so le pa hi chim ti le lo be i on is on sin ba choi hi te bao tình dâu xê lê lê ho lê à nay tê vinh dòng pakai anga la mu hi te ku pi le da pi tu mu tin pakai tham ba la sadin hong ki ko mun ba choi ga long pa tre choi an te tham ba da long a hi vì ba cái cho tôi so lên qua thì chim ti bay lo đi thì on is on xin ba chơi đi thiên thiên bao tình dâu xê lê lê ho lê à nay tê vinh dòng pakai anga la mu hi te ku pi le da pi tu mo tin pakai tham ba la sadin hong ki ko mun ba choi dia long pa tre choi an te tham ba dia long a he vì ba cái cho tôi so lên qua thì chim ti bay lo đi thì on is on xin ba chơi đi te bao tình dâu xê lê lê ho lê à nay tê vinh dòng pakai anga la mu hi te ku pi le da pi tu mu tin pakai tham ba la sadin hong ki ko mun ba choi ga long pa tre choi an te tham ba da long a hi vì ba cái cho tôi so lên qua thì chim ti bay lo đi thì on is on xin ba chơi đi te lê lê Pakai anga la mohite kupi leda itu mudi pakai kamba la sedih hong di panggung ba chơi dia lompat krit chơi anate kamba dia lom ahe lobi pakai choto so lekwa ahe cinti melodi the only song is what you be bao tình sâu xê lê lê khó lê à nay tê đến gió pakai anga la mohite kupi lê đã tê từ mô tình pakai thamba la sadin hong kê